Know-how WLR-5 mining explosion-proof electric command vehicle. Engineered for complex underground mining environments, setting new benchmarks in safety and efficiency. Designed for personnel transport in coal mine tunnels, where methane and coal dust explosive mixtures may exist. Serving as your reliable partner for safe and high-efficiency underground operations. Triple braking system, wet brakes, spring parking brake, motor regenerative braking ensuring fail-safe deceleration, smart safety suite, auto fire suppression, 360 monitoring, AI fatigue alerts, anti-collision system comprehensive protection, premium durability, full electrophoretic anti-corrosion coating, high-strength steel body, CA-optimized chassis built to endure harsh conditions. Powerful performance, 230 Ah explosion-proof battery, 100 kilometers, range work motor and matched mobility underground. Operator-centric design, sealed cabin, full LCD dashboard comfort meets functionality, efficient transport, safety assured, smart safety suite. Know-how innovating the future of smart mining.